Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. SEO, or search engine optimization, is an integral part of digital marketing. It refers to the strategies and techniques used to improve a website's visibility and ranking on search engine results. Pages SERPs, primarily on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. SEO is crucial in digital marketing for several reasons. 1. Increase visibility. SEO helps your website rank higher in search results, making it more likely for users to find your site when searching for relevant keywords. 2. Organic traffic. It drives organic non-paid traffic to your website, reducing the need for paid advertising and increasing the long-term sustainability of your online presence. 3. Credibility and trust. Websites that appear at the top of search results are often perceived as more credible and trustworthy by users. 4. Cost-effective. Compared to paid advertising, SEO can be a cost-effective way to attract traffic to your website. 5. Targeted audience. By optimizing for specific keywords, you can reach an audience interested in your products or services. 6. Long-term results. Effective SEO can provide lasting results, while paid advertising stops when the budget runs out. 7. Improved user experience. SEO often involves optimizing the user experience on your website, which can lead to higher user satisfaction and engagement. And subscribe my channel. In the next video, we'll meet again.